In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the ignition coil boots on this Ford F-150 with the 5.4 liter V8 engine. Let's get started. I'm only going to show you how to replace the boot on one ignition coil. The procedure is exactly the same on all, you just have to reach further back. Let's unplug the ignition coil first. There's a locking tab on the connector right on the back side of it. Unlock it, push it up, and set it out of the way. Then use a 7mm socket with an extension, reach down for the bolt, unthread it, and remove the bolt. With that out of the way, you can pull the ignition coil right up. There it is. Take the ignition coil boot, twist it, and turn it until it pops off. There will be a spring in the middle. Pull the boot off, and there it is. Take your new ignition coil boot, slide it over. Does not matter which direction you put it in. They're just going down straight, and push it up until it's completely seated. On the other end of it, where it goes onto the spark plug, I recommend putting just a little bit of dielectric grease or silicone paste on the edges of the boot. That's going to make it so it doesn't stick onto the spark plug, and it'll help it seat better. Take the ignition coil that you just replaced the boot on, drop it back down into the cylinder that it came from. Once you have it lined up, press it down all the way. It should somewhat lock in, and then finish locking it in with the bolt. Try not to drop it, of course. Thread it on by hand. These are very fine threads, and you do not want these cross-threading. Let's bottom it out and snug it. That just bottomed out. Give it at most 1/8 of a turn after this. Like I said, it's a small bolt, fine threads. You don't want to break it or strip it out. Let's plug in the electrical connector for the ignition coil. Make sure that clicks and it's fully locked in, and at this point you repeat the procedure for all the other ignition coils. I recommend replacing all the boots at the same time.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.